Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Did you know that these flowers look like birds? I think Joe Rogan just posted about that. It's not cool when I say it, but it's super cool when Joe Rogan says it. It does look like a kind of bird. Too bad this bird is going to be cut off soon. I apologize, birdie. Come check out the flip. Status update. My boy Fez, shout out to Fez. Fez, we call him Fez Dispenser. That's a joke. Does it smell right here? Oh, okay. We got new plumbing. Ooh, what's that? This looks dangerous. No floods, no floods. I thought we were going to come to a disaster zone. If you guys are keeping track of the news, it rained really hard in San Diego for the first time ever. CrossFit. Ooh. All right, so let's go through what we've done so far. We got all new pipes in the house, so come check this out. Where we got new angle stops, these are called angle stops, all new pipes, all new everything, just to avoid any leaks. This is called PEX. It's a brand new type of material. So the ones that were in the house before were actually recalled by whatever Quest company. So look that up. There's a big bankruptcy. These original owners didn't switch out the pipes. I could have kept them in there, but I knew there was something going on. So I just kind of felt like I had to just get new pipes in there. So if you take a look up, you'll see brand new pipes everywhere, and then you'll see the destruction. It looks like some psychotic individual came through the house and started poking holes. If you look up a little bit too, all brand new pipes flowing into the house. We tested them all. They look good, no leaks, but we have to now, next phase is to patch up all this stuff. So we have the drywall guy coming in today, or tomorrow, I think. But before, he has to put in canned lights. Hopefully by Friday they'll all be done. So we're going to put 42 canned lights just to brighten up the place. It's going to cost, I think each light is about $120. So you guys can do the math there just for light. The outlets, all brand new outlets. So they'll match all new light switches too. I got that done by my electrician friend Fez Dispenser. Fez, looks good, buddy. Looks good. This is my first time here since he was here. Oh, is this switch? I feel like you switched it. This is off, this is on. Oh, it's upstairs. All right, so let's go check upstairs. But after this week, this is the last week you'll see this house like this, which is exciting for me because then more drywall. Yeah, you're right. So here's the flip. So he did all of them. Pretty impressive, my friend. All new angle stops, new pipes in the shower. You can see right through the second level. Crazy, huh? Hi, camera. And then we ordered our windows. Windows should be here next week. That was about $9,000 for windows. The kitchen stuff we ordered too. We got the kitchen cabinets coming in, the kitchen countertops, and then some other counter spaces that we're gonna put like right out here, side right here, which will be really cool. So that came out to $12,500. So I put that on the Amex, baby. Bam! Amex. I'll get some points while you're at it. All right, so far we've done, I don't know what that is still to this day. So far, we've done a lot. We've done rehab. We changed the pipes, which is a huge job. We got the solar system coming as well. The roof should be replaced next week. We got the angle stops in. We got new electric outlets. We got new everything. New garage ordered. The mold is gone as well. Peekaboo. The mold. Don't forget about the mold. That's all gone. But yeah, at the end of the day, look, we got our new GFCIs in. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. This right here got replaced. I forgot what this was called, but they replaced the entire thing. So if you remember, there was 3 pipes here. Now it's just one nice solid one. That's the main water shut-off line. That's all replaced. Remember when that flooded? So this all got replaced with the new pipes. So it was a pretty quick job. They came in here, they were here for 4 hours, did the whole house. It was amazing. Whole crew of 6 people, and they just pounded it out. All right, so that was it. I think we've come a long way since 3 weeks ago. So we got all new electrical outlets. Peekaboo. Everything's now wired correctly. Everything's grounded correctly. Shout out to Fez. We got the solar ordered. We're going to get the new roof next week. We got, what else did we do? The pipes. The pipes all completed. Brand new repipe. That went about, it was $5,800 for everything, which isn't bad based on, remember the scam story I had for you guys? So that was pretty good, done in one day. Just got to repatch everything. And then we got the kitchen ordered, which is cool. That's going to take 2 weeks. We got all the windows that are coming out next week. So in about 2 weeks, this place should be, you wouldn't even recognize it, to be honest with you. The floors are easy. We just picked those up from Home Depot or Lumber Liquidators. So that's going to be quick and easy, painless, simple. The landscaping is going to be tough. I think that's the only issue that we're going to have left. Garage door was ordered too, which is cool. Brand new garage door and a motor. So all in all, we're on week 3 technically, and we went slow because we had to fix the mold and the plumbing and all that stuff. But I'm excited at where we're at, and we are getting there, baby. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Do we skip Thanksgiving? Happy Thanksgiving. See you guys. Peace.